Hi, I'm Tanner. I'm honored today to be with Westcliff University on behalf of the faculty, staff, administrators, our teachers, and most importantly, my fellow graduates. In honoring the graduates here at Westcliff University, I would like to emphasize their three-word motto: educate, inspire, and empower. These three words are simple yet effective and hold a tone that represents dedication to all involved at Westcliff University. With welcoming arms, Westcliff has broadened my horizons with the field of education. However, it is not the awards or ceremonies, parties, or celebratory eating that defines us. No, it is the lifelong journey that concurs with different pathways that makes up who we are as individuals. Some pathways are like waiting for trains that just aren't coming. Some pathways, however, lead us and guide us onto tracks of success. These tracks are arduous, strenuous, curve left but then go right, climb up hills, even protrude through the heat. But we take the ride anyways. We're told to be successful, but how? It is the fact of the matter of being flexible, even when we're not yogis. It is being punctual, even when we don't have time. And it is being devoted to success that makes the ceremony happen. Like plants, we all grow at different paces, and with that, I want to congratulate each and every one of our Westcliff graduates on the triumphs we have made to get here. No, I'm not here to bore you about the struggles with COVID-19, but I will say that we did make it through a massive pandemic, and we should all congratulate ourselves for surpassing this. We are told to be our authentic selves, and the reason we are here today is not because we were told to or that we were forced to. The reason we are here today is because of self-dedication, self-motivation for victory, and self-dignifying respect for ourselves and one another. We uphold self-righteousness in which there is no doubt that I believe all of you obtain. There is beauty in the eyes of the beholder, so grab those life tools and make it beautiful. Make that life of yours the one you envisioned, and strive to make your life in the purest form of expressions. It is true that if we stay confined and constricted to things we should not prioritize, then we are not considered free. If we as people strive to stop and smell the roses, pick up the pieces, love one another, and work together, we shall be free. Free of stress, free of harmful obligations. It is poor social hygiene to commit to every single person who asks you for your attention. It is all right to put your phone down and miss that phone call, text, or email. It is all right to attend to your life how you choose to perceive. We shall all abide by being free and fulfilled. However, the trends of technology have almost put all of our personal freedom on hold. And like T. Swift says, the best people in life are free. Like the vibrant golden vibrations your eyes perceive in Westcliff University's pride, we must also consider the golden rule. Treat others as you would treat yourself. The utilization of this application will take you far, and as I'm concerned, will not take you on any path if you have not respected yourself first. Self-respect is pertinent in advocating for yourself, making an impact on how you present and represent you. It is important to really grasp the meaning of your life individually, whether that be engineering, religious passions, finding the true meanings to life, etc. I see life as manifesting, unfolding itself as I truly believe in something. I believed I could, and I did. Now, as I speak, I want you to find it in yourself, to find your inner peace and channel your life purposes and passions. I'm going to need you to envision your future achievements and manifest the fruition of these dreams. I think, therefore I am. Descartes. I think I deserve a bachelor's degree, and therefore I received. Believing really is achieving. Please ask yourself, do I manifest these dreams I have, or do I shut them down? If you shut them down, please reassess the dignity and self-respect to dive right back into your dreams. If you already manifest your desires, I commend you greatly. Lastly, like our local oceanic beaches, we surf the waves of life. We swim in the sea of opportunities and sunbathe in the rays of hope. It is through our hard-earned work that we have seen the glistening reflections of ourselves. Through rogue waves that occur haphazardly, trying to throw us off. Through the windstorms we never thought we could withstand. Through riding the wave into shore of achievements that we realize how much we as students have gone through to get where we are now. I guess you could say life's a beach. Thank you.